Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to activate or deactivate Shop Pay Accelerated Checkout on Shopify. Now here, as you can see here in my own website, I have this project has this payment option, buy with Shop Pay, and that will show you exactly how to do it. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go to your Shopify dashboard and log into your account. Then you should head to the settings on the bottom left side of the screen, tap on settings, then go to payments right here. And after that, you should go to Shopify payments and click on the manage blue button right here. Then when you scroll down here, you will find this option, Shop Pay. Now here in my case, it's activated. That's why we can see the Shop Pay option in the product. But if you check this box, you will deactivate it. And now when I go back to the page of the product, then try to refresh the page, it will be disabled, as you can see right here. You can do the same steps also to activate it, but just instead of unchecking this box, you'll have to check it again. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.